Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, the Meryl Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a 3D book cover mock-up for free. If you've written a book, a journal, or a planner, you know that if you're trying to market it, it just looks a whole lot more professional if you're not using a flat 2D image. If you're using a flat 2D image, you've already lost about 20 to 30% of your potential consumer base because it doesn't look as professional as it should. So the first thing you're going to need is a book cover template, and I've got you covered. All you have to do is go to my site, which is www.tashagrimes.org. And you're going to click on the 3D book cover mockup, or you can go to the permalink that I'm going to leave in the description box below, and you're just going to download this file, which is a PNG. There's no spam, there's no viruses. It's free and clear of all of that. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go to Pixlr.com. This is a free image editor. It also does not have any viruses. You won't get any spam from it, and you're going to click on Open Image in Computer. And once you open it up, you're just going to click on the free 3D mockup that you downloaded from my site. As you can see here, it has a transparent background. You're going to go to Layer, Open Image as Layer, and you're going to find the 2D image that you have for your book. Mine is this one here, The Girl Boss Guide and Workbook to Making Money. It's called Secure the Bag. So you're going to then edit, and you're going to click on Free Distort, not Free Transform. Free Transform is not going to do what you want it to do. And you're just going to use the handle to drag all four corners of the book to place, as I'm doing here. Just drag your 2D image over each of the four corners of the book until you get it to fit appropriately. I don't think it really matters what the size of your image is, because this free distort is going to let you maneuver it so that it gets into place just as you want it. You can click anywhere on the book to save the changes. So I'm just going to manipulate this edge a little bit more just to get it in place perfectly. And then once you have it positioned where you want it, again, click anywhere on the book to get the prompt to save the changes. Do you want to apply the changes? Yes, we do. From there, we're going to go to File, Save the image as a PNG with a transparent background. So I'm just going to do that again for you. Save image, and I'm going to change the name of mine because I already have this mock-up on my computer. So I'm just going to entitle it Final Mock-up. And as you can see, it's a PNG with a transparent background. So we're going to click Save. Image saved. And then we're just going to go and find it in our folder and take a look at the final result. So this is the final mock-up. So now, guys, you have a very professional looking 3D book cover mock-up that is going to be a great marketing tool for you on your social media, your website, and all of your promotional materials. And you don't have to pay anyone to do it. It's as simple as that. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it, leave me a comment in the comments section, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also find me on Instagram at Meryl Diaries and at Meryl_blogs. So until next time, this has been your weekly tech tip.